Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to share an unboxing of my Ipsy and Boxycharm subscription boxes. I actually just got them both today, which was super cool. I didn't have to wait to unbox them. It's actually my favorite part of the month, being able to see what products I got. It's super fun. Ipsy is $10 a month and Boxycharm is $21 a month, and I think that they're both worth it. You get super amazing products, and I highly recommend, if you're not subscribed to either one of those, then go ahead and do yourself a favor and subscribe for next month. Alright, so now for Ipsy. Okay, this is a really cute bag, you guys. I'm super glad that they don't have like Ipsy all over it now, that it's just like a little thing on the tag. Like, I'm so glad. And I actually think that this is gonna be my new driver bag, so I like put like my cash and everything for my delivery driving stuff in like a little Ipsy bag. And I had last month's bag, like the little travel one, but I think this is way cuter and I'm gonna use this now. Okay, so we have the little card. Flying colors for Pride. I'm kind of mad that they don't like have the products on the card. Maybe it's just because they're cheap and it's too expensive to like individually print each card, but I don't know. I like for the products to be listed, but that's just me. Alright, so the first thing we have here is the Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. I'm super excited. I love testing out eye creams just because I have like really bad like under eye darkness and circles and you know, all that crap, and I'm really excited to try this, see if it actually works. Alright, so the next thing in my box is the Feel Pure Anywhere Balm, and this is the rose one. I don't know if there's different ones, but it says rose on it, so I'm assuming maybe there might be. But I'm super excited for this. I'm assuming it could be like a lip balm, and I love lip balms. I said that in my May favorites video, and just a little self-promo. Go ahead and watch that. I'll link it down below. But I'm super excited to try this. I love testing out new lip balms. They're my favorite things ever. Alright, so the next thing I have is the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage. And I'm super excited about this. I love testing out MAC products, or just like higher end products, you know, and I'm super excited that it's MAC. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm excited to check it out. Alright, so the next product in my Ipsy bag is this Finding Ferdinand lipstick, and I have the shade Au Naturel. I'm really bad at pronouncing things. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like a pinky, kind of nude shade. I really like colors like these, and I'm excited to try it out. I wish that there was more product, because it's like a teeny tiny little guy. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out regardless. Alright, so the next thing that I have is this Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. And it looks like it's a full size, so that's super great. I love it when I get full size products in my Ipsy bags. It's just, it makes it so much more worth it, especially because it's only $10 a month. So, let's see what this shade looks like, if I can get it open. Oh my gosh, it has a little mirror, like, and it swatches nicely. It has a little bit of glitter in it, which I'm not a super huge fan of. I don't really like glitter in my face products, but I'll still try it out just to see if, you know, it's something that I can learn to like or whatever. But yeah, I'll try it out. Alright, so now for my Boxycharm. I actually watched some Boxycharm unboxing videos for this month, and I wish I hadn't, because I wanted to be so surprised, but I already know that I'm gonna love everything in this box. So we have the little card, and I like how it's like fold out like this. I don't know. And I also like that it has the prices of the products and what the products are on here, so that I know what everything is without, you know, having to go online or whatever like you have to do with Ipsy. And again, this box is $21 a month. You mostly get full-size products. I know in this box there's one travel size product, but I'm not mad about it. All the other boxes have been super great, well worth the money. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I see is this Luxie trio of brushes. It looks like they're face brushes. Alright, so there's this Duo Fiber Powder brush. This is the 516 brush. And I really like Luxie brushes. They're like super soft. And I generally just love getting brushes in my subscription boxes because I feel like, you know, if they're good quality, it makes the box like super worth it. Okay, so the next brush is the 660 Precision Foundation brush, and usually I don't use brushes like these to apply my foundation. I like using, you know, flat top brushes, but I'll try it out and see if I like it because I'm always open to like trying new things when it comes to makeup and other things, but yeah, I'm super excited to try this. And then the last brush in here is the 522 Tapered Highlighter brush, and I'm excited to try this as a highlighter brush because I usually just use fan brushes. I've never used like a brush like this before. This might also be good for like blush or bronzer. Maybe not bronzer because it's not super big. Contour maybe. Alright, so the next thing that I have is these Baddington lashes. I am super bad at putting on false lashes. I've been trying to get better at it and put them on more frequently. I haven't put them on in any of my videos just because it takes me so long and I don't want it to look wonky on camera. But, you know, ooh, these are really pretty. Okay, yeah. I want to get better at putting them on because I know that fake eyelashes can really transform your look, and I want to be able to do that. These lashes are so pretty. They're silk, and they're not super dramatic, which I really like. I don't like a super duper dramatic false lash, so I'm super excited to try these out. The only thing that I notice is that the band is super thick. I like skinnier, like clear kind of bands, just because, you know, I feel like with the thicker bands it can come off more easily, but I mean, I'll still give these a try, obviously. Alright, so the next thing that I'm super excited about is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Bum Bum cream. I've heard super great things about it. It's a teeny tiny little travel size, but it can kind of give me an idea of the product. I've been wanting to try it out for a very long time, but I'm excited that I can get this in this box that I know if I actually like it, so that I can go out and buy the full size. Okay, you guys, this smells so good. Like, I heard really good things about the scent, and I'm super excited that I actually am able to smell it now. I hadn't before, and I love it. I'm so excited to like actually put it on my body. Alright, so the next thing that I have here is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del whatever. It's this palette, and I'm super bad at pronouncing things, but Kathleen Lights talked about this in her May favorites video, and I'm super excited that I got it in this box, because it's a beautiful palette. It only has 8 shades, but they're all super pretty. I haven't swatched them yet, but I've heard really good things about them, and they look beautiful in the pans, and I'm super excited to try it out. Alright, so the next thing that I have in my Boxycharm box is the Jante Blue eyeliner pencil in charcoal. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of like not like super black eyeliner pencils, but you know, I'll try this out maybe with like more natural looks, but this might not be the best product in this box for me personally. Alright, so the last thing that I have in my Boxycharm box is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Verona, and I just watched Kathleen Light's video of her Boxycharm unboxing, and she said that this is a brand new shade, and I'm super excited to try it out. I've actually never tried Ofra liquid lipsticks, and it's a very beautiful brown color, as I just swatched it, and I'm really excited to try it out. I usually don't wear liquid lipsticks just because I'm super bad about getting it like precise, but I'm really excited to try it out. I really want to get more into liquid lipsticks, and this is a good starting point. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you liked everything that you saw here and you think you want to subscribe to Boxycharm or Ipsy, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you want to see more content like this. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Alright, bye guys.